on the M4. One of the things that I've started to notice is that the turbo spool sound is a little quiet from stock, and I've been reading online that the aftermarket intakes provide a huge improvement for turbo spool and sound. So for the intake I chose, I went with a local factory down in Miami. It's about 3 hours away from where I'm at. They're called VRSF, VR Speed Factory, and they've got a pretty nice, affordable intake system, and it comes in a black powder-coated finish. So we got, this kit comes with 2 cone filters and 2 intake pipes. As you can see here, this is the second, this is the longer one. Looks good. This also comes in a polished look. So if you're not looking for the blacked out look and you want a nice polished finish, you can also get that. And yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna pop the hood here and show you kind of what's going on under the hood. Got this air box here. This is the stock one, and we've got this air box over here. This piping is all gonna get replaced. So yeah, I think overall this is gonna just clean up the engine bay instead of having this, you know, kind of boring looking, bulky black box. We'll have this nice cone filter, which I think is gonna look a lot better. It's gonna give some color under the hood here, go good with this carbon piece, and yeah, I just think overall it's gonna make it look good and sound good. So I guess we'll get started, and this is gonna be a very easy install. All we have to do in this setup is we're gonna just take out this strut brace here, and other than that, we just need to undo the plastic piping here, remove this air box, and that other will just kind of drop right into place. And here as well, we're gonna undo this screw, and it's gonna pull right off. And what we'll do is pull this pipe out, readjust this sensor, and what else do we need to do? Yeah, rip out this box and replace this sensor on the aftermarket intake. So we're gonna need to take this VRSF gasket they came with. It's a little, not really a gasket, I guess it's a rubber coupler. So you slide that on, hose clamp here, slide this onto the pipe down here, and hose clamp on this side as well. We need to take this sensor out of here and transfer it over to this guy. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Hey guys, so what I recommend is taking off this pipe first, fitting this on before putting it down in, because gosh, this makes it way easier. Got this side in. Whew, that was a pain in the butt, but got the VRSF logo kind of pointing out forward, so that's cool. Got the cone filter on. We gotta do this side. This side looks a lot easier. Access to it is much straightforward right in front of me, so put the carbon fiber strut brace back in, and we are done. Alright guys, gosh, I am running out of battery, but we'll see what happens. So, no check engine lights, and yeah, I'm gonna throw this puppy in reverse and start going out. Alrighty. Okay. Yeah, you can hear the turbo spool up a lot more now. Sounds really good. Placebo effect. Excited about this. Yeah, that's better. That sounds good. It's popping a little bit more too. Popping out the back of the exhaust. That's probably a combo of the intake and the catless downpipes. So that's pretty awesome to hear that. I need to go back to my house and get the GoPro mount and try to get some outside shots and see if you guys can get a little bit better of a sound. Maybe do some revs too. So yeah, I'm gonna swing back around to my house again and get that GoPro mount for the suction cup on the outside, and we'll be right back. All right, so it's a different day. I decided I'm gonna go and do the sound clips that I said I was gonna do. Alright guys, we are all mic'd up. We got the mic literally right next to the intake cone filter, so hopefully we get some good sound clips. And looks like the hood's